we can have a force that is non-horizontal. So this is the inclined plane, so this is the angle, and this is the object. So we have weight, so this is mg. So mg, if we have component, so one component is mg sine theta, another component normal to the plane mg cos theta. Then we have reaction force, which is already normal to the surface. So this is the situation. Now, so to make things simpler, so rough surface, suppose it is about to go down. So limiting equilibrium object is about to go down. That means the friction is going to be in the opposite direction. So that means it is going to be this mu r. Now, the force we are talking about now, it's not going to be horizontal. It is going to be at a different angle. Now I can draw the force anywhere. I can draw the force over here, I can draw it over here, I can draw the force anywhere. So what I'm doing, I'm drawing the force here at a particular angle. Okay, so I'm drawing the force here. Let me call the force F, and it is making an angle alpha. So previously the force was parallel to the horizon, so it was horizontal, so it was the same as theta, but here it's making a different but different type of angle. So here what we're going to do for components, so we're going to have normal to the plane and we're going to have along the plane. So what's going to have over here, if this is alpha, so this is going to be alpha. So that's it, it's not that different. So the angle is going to be different, so the component is going to be different. So this is going to be f cos alpha, and this is going to be f sine alpha. So now if you do the math along the plane and normal to the plane, so along the plane, so what we have along the plane is downwards we have mg sine theta, and upward we have f cos alpha plus mu r. So these are the only forces along the plane. Now normal to the plane, regardless whether the object is in limiting equilibrium like in this situation, or it is in motion, even if it was moving, if this was moving, even then normal to the plane will always be in equilibrium. So upward is r and downward is f sine alpha. So f sine alpha plus we have mg cos theta.